of International English Language Testing Systems powered by ITP to assess the level of a candidate. My name is Jaskirat Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111092. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your full name?
My full name is Harmanjot Singh.
Okay. How may I address you?
You may address me as Harman.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from small village Jalda, which is located near district Fatehgarh side.
What is your previous qualification?
I am student at the moment. I recently passed my senior secondary education from Ashoka Senior Secondary School with non-medical.
Okay. What is your aim?
My aim is to go abroad for my higher studies.
Okay. Let's talk about farming. Have you ever indulged in farming?
Yes, I always indulge in farming because I am a son of farmer and all the family members are indulged in it.
Okay. What kind of farm would you like to visit in the future?
I want to visit my district farm that is located in my district, and it is so beautiful because there is lots of equipment that are well in farming are available.
Is farming an important occupation in your country?
Farming is paramount significant because it is very important for the productivity of any country, and so it is important.
Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
People in my nation engage in farming because they love their soul and they prefer to farm by their own.
Okay. This is the end of part 1, Harmanjot. So I am going to give you cue card. You will have the paper, pen, pencil, and you will have 1 minute for the preparation and another 2 minutes for the speaking. So this is your cue card. Shall we start?
I am very passionate towards exploring and places with my family. Being a nature lover, I love to spend my leisure time in the nature, and I never miss the opportunity to go outside with my friends. And here I would like to talk about a time when I made a plan, and it is about 2 or 3 days ago when I made a plan that after achieving my goals, then I plan to visit my favorite city, that is Goa, and this city is very good for its environment, and there is lots of beach that refresh me a lot, and so after I achieve my goals, I immediately go there and enjoy the beauty of this city, and so it is at the moment it is not possible to go because there is lots of workload on me, and so I think that it is possible after my works, and so when the city is very beautiful because there is lots of facilities that are required for any person, and it is good for their environment, and there is lots of buildings that admire me most to visit, and so it this is the plan. This is a plan that I made, and
Okay, Harman, let's talk about future aspects. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having no plans at all?
according to me, it is important to have a lots of plan because life is full of new opportunities, and it is become not necessary to make a lots of plan and achieving it.
Okay. So why do most people make plans before they go to travel?
But
Why do most people make plans before they go to travel?
in my nation, all the people made plan before they traveling because in traveling there is lots of guidance required to visit new places and enjoy the day. So it is necessary to make a plan before travel.
Okay. Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles? Do you think planning helps us to be prepared for unseen troubles?
Definitely, planning always require whenever we face whenever we go outside because without planning we should see many trouble because without planning there is lots of unhappen thing happen with us.
So, how do individuals feel when their plans do not work out?
They always feel dumb whenever their plan is not happen as their plans. So it is
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
no, according to me, people should try again and make new plan, and hard work is necessary to achieve their goals. So I think that they do not feel bad after their plan is in trouble.
This is the end of your speaking, Harman. Have a nice time ahead. This is the quality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of a candidate. My name is Jaskirat Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111109. So shall we start? Okay. So what is your full name?
My name is Manish Kumar.
Okay, where are you from?
I live in a rural area, village Naskot, situated near Rajpur city and comes under Pune district.
Do you work or study?
Recently I completed my senior secondary education for Punjab board. Now I am looking for my further studies.
Okay. So what were your subjects?
I studied commerce subject in my senior secondary education. There were 6 main subjects: English, Punjabi, accounts with economics and Hindi was also a subject, and these were the main subjects.
Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was Punjabi because as I live in Punjab and it's the national tradition of Punjab to speak Punjabi, and it is also my main subject.
Okay. Let's talk about trust. Who do you trust most?
I mostly trust my father because he is a great person, and if I have to tell anything, any secret to anyone, he would be the first person.
What kind of people do you trust?
The person who do not reveal anything, any secret with anyone, that kind of person I trust.
Have you ever lost trust in somebody?
Yes, one day I told a truth. I told a secret to my best friend, but I also told him that not to reveal it, but after some time he revealed it to my other friends. At that time I lost the trust to him.
Okay. Have you ever made trust again on him?
No, after that I don't have interaction with him because he had lost my trust at that time.
Are you a trustworthy person?
Yes, definitely. I am a very trustworthy person because if someone tells me any of the secret, I never reveal it to any of the person in any kind of situation.
Okay. Which is the biggest secret you have not shared with someone?
My profession is the secret which I have never revealed with anyone because I think if I get success in that profession, that will be a great thing for me.